Today I'm going to show you the top 10 fonts for streetwear design available in Kittl. Streetwear design is a great design style for print on demand. If you haven't signed up for Kittl yet, go ahead and use the link in the description to have access to all of those fonts I'm going to show you in this video. Bugspot. This one is the streetwear design favorite in Kittl. We can easily find designs under the streetwear section using this font. I couldn't leave this one out of the list. Those type of eroded fonts with a grunge feeling really resonates with streetwear design. Kittl has a couple of similar fonts with the same characteristics, but it seems that Bugspot is the most popular among this design style. Construct. As the name suggests, Construct is inspired by famous constructivism typefaces from the early 20th century. Constructivism often aimed to reflect the urban space. This way we can link constructivist typography to a streetwear design. This awesome bold and angular display font not only looks really cool on your design, but it also makes a statement behind its historical meaning. Cat Walthari. Trust me, you want to try a medieval style font on your streetwear design. Streetwear design is known for being trendy and edgy and often associated with hip-hop culture, skateboarding, and alternative fashion. Cat Walthari is an amazing display font that will bring the edginess your design needs with those intense decorative elements. Seimei Condensed. Seimei Condensed is the condensed font of the list. As streetwear design is often visually busy, sometimes you need a bigger chunk of text to fit within a limited space, and condensed fonts are perfect for that. They often convey a feeling of urban style. This one in particular presents those really cool sharp angles that give off a modern and edgy vibe. Anton. Imagine you're in a busy urban environment, rocking your streetwear graphic tee. You most definitely want it to be bold and impactful, right? Anton is a perfect typeface for that. This font has a strong presence that will guarantee your design to stand out. Draco. This font is all about speed. Draco is a bold, italic font that features this fast feeling that could bring some movement to your design. It's perfect for sports and racing cars related designs, but you could also take some advantage of the Y2K vibe for your Y2K streetwear design. The multiple edges definitely add uniqueness to this font. Riknusa. You guys already probably noticed that this list is full of display fonts, right? Riknusa is a natural fit for streetwear design because it's a graffiti style font. Those type of fonts are rooted in the street art culture, which is an essential part of the urban landscape, and they have strong ties to subcultures like hip-hop, skateboarding, and again, underground scene. Still play Textura. Okay, this list has another medieval style font because the visual fusion is fun. Combining the historical and ornated elements of medieval fonts with the modern urban aesthetic of streetwear creates the contrast that you're looking for. Also, medieval fonts can invoke a sense of mystery and symbolism. That's why you often see them featured in heavy metal designs as well. Swagmasta. Customized fonts like Swagmasta, as if they've been effortlessly hand-drawn, are a great call for streetwear design. They can convey a sense of authenticity and urban attitude. Their imperfections and variations in hand-drawn fonts also convey a sense of individuality and personal touch. And lastly, Weathered. Weathered has that ink bleed texture that has been kind of trending around for a while. Deeply rooted in punk style, the organic shapes and uneven edges created by ink bleed give a sense of fluidity and motion to the text. This dynamic quality can align with the urban energy and vibrancy of streetwear culture. Also, the unpredictable nature of the ink bleeding adds an element of randomness and, again, individuality. And these were the best fonts for streetwear design available in Kittl. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos like this. See you in the next video.